I told you Cadillac was stepping into the motorhome game for 2026, you'd probably think I'm joking, right? Well, believe it or not, it's real, and it's one of the most jaw-dropping things we've seen in the RV world in years. Cadillac, the brand we usually associate with luxury sedans and high-end SUVs, has rolled out a motorhome that feels more like a rolling luxury estate than a traditional camper. This thing is a serious statement, and honestly, it might just shake up how people look at motorhomes from here on out. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. Cadillac didn't just take a boxy RV shape and slap their badge on it. No, this motorhome looks like it belongs in the future. Sleek lines, bold lighting signatures, and a front fascia that screams Cadillac from a mile away. The grille design carries that signature Cadillac styling, but it's been stretched and modernized for this massive motorhome form factor. And the LED lighting is unlike anything else in the RV market. Thin, razor-sharp accents that wrap around the edges and give it this futuristic glow at night. It looks less like a motorhome and more like a private jet on wheels. Now, under the hood, or rather, under the floor, Cadillac went with a hybrid system. They know people want both power and efficiency, especially in a world where RVs are being pushed to be more eco-friendly. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome combines a high-output gasoline engine with an electric drive system, giving you the torque you need for long hauls and steep climbs, while also letting you cruise in near silence. When you're gliding through campgrounds or national parks, and the range? We're talking seriously impressive. You can drive long stretches without constantly worrying about finding the next fuel stop. And when you do, it's built to handle both charging stations and traditional refueling. That flexibility is a huge win for anyone thinking about cross-country travel. What's really exciting, though, is the off-road capability. Cadillac could have played it safe and just focused on luxury, but instead, they built in features that make this motorhome adventure ready. We're talking adaptive air suspension that raises and lowers the whole vehicle depending on terrain, advanced all-wheel drive that distributes power where you need it most, and off-road drive, modes that adjust everything from throttle response to traction control. So whether you're pulling into a paved RV park or venturing down a dusty trail to find that hidden camping spot by the lake, this thing has the muscle and smarts to get you there comfortably. But let's step inside, because this is where Cadillac truly shows off. Open the doors, and you're met with an interior that feels like a luxury condo. We're talking handcrafted leather seating, natural wood accents, brushed metal details, and a panoramic skylight that stretches across the ceiling. The living space is designed for both comfort and style, with plush couches that transform into beds, a full-size kitchen with induction cooking, smart appliances, and even a wine cooler for those evenings when you're parked and unwinding. The tech integration is seamless. Think touchscreens built into walls, voice-activated controls for lighting and temperature, and a surround sound system that makes movie nights feel like you're in a theater. And yes, Cadillac didn't forget about the bathroom. Instead of the cramped little shower you usually find in RVs, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome gives you a spa-like bathroom with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and premium fixtures. It's the kind of setup that makes you forget you're in a vehicle. The master bedroom is equally impressive, with a king-sized bed, ambient lighting, and enough storage to keep even the longest trips organized and clutter-free. Of course, this level of luxury and technology doesn't come cheap. The starting price is expected to hover around $1 million, maybe just under depending on configurations. But honestly, when you compare that to other high-end motorhomes, especially European luxury models or custom builds, it's actually competitive. Cadillac is offering something that feels new, something that merges their brand's identity with the freedom of RV travel. It's not just about having a place to sleep on the road. It's about having a luxury lifestyle wherever you decide to park. Now, how does it compare to other motorhomes out there? Well, if you look at brands like Winnebago or Jayco, they've made huge strides in comfort and innovation. But Cadillac is taking it to another level by bringing in their automotive luxury, DNA. Compared to Mercedes-based campers, Cadillac's offering feels more expansive, more tech-driven, and honestly, more futuristic. It's like the difference between staying at a really nice hotel versus staying at a 5-star resort that just so happens to be mobile. At the end of the day, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't going to be for everyone. It's pricey, it's bold, and it's definitely aimed at a very specific market. But for those who can afford it, this is the ultimate road companion. A motorhome that doesn't just take you from place to place, but makes the journey itself an experience worth remembering. Imagine pulling up to a scenic overlook, kicking back in leather seats with a panoramic view, cooking dinner in a full chef's kitchen, and then ending the night under a skylight that lets you fall asleep under the stars. That's what Cadillac is promising, and honestly, they've delivered something truly special. So, whether you're a die-hard RV fan, a luxury car enthusiast, or just someone who loves seeing the boundaries of travel pushed to new heights, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is a game-changer. It's bold, it's futuristic, and it's exactly the kind of vehicle that makes you dream about hitting the open road.